In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Autofilter in LibreOffice Calc. By the end, you'll know how to quickly narrow large lists, focus on just the entries you care about, and combine filters across multiple columns without changing your original data. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc and opening the spreadsheet you want to work with. If your data already has a header row, that's perfect. Autofilter uses those headers to place filter controls. If it doesn't, consider adding a simple header line first so each column has a clear label. Click anywhere inside your data range or select the entire block of cells you plan to filter. The key is to make sure the range is continuous. No completely blank rows or columns running through the middle, so Calc can recognize the whole area as a list. Next, go to the Data menu and choose Autofilter. You'll see small drop-down arrows appear in the header cells. That's your signal that filtering is enabled and ready to use. Pick a column you want to filter and click its drop-down arrow. You'll see options tailored to that column, starting with a checklist of values. If you want to show only specific entries, uncheck the All option, then check the exact values you want to keep visible. This is great for focusing on one or a few categories without removing anything from the sheet. If your column has many unique values, use the search box in the filter menu. Type a word, phrase, or number, and Calc will narrow the list of available values to those that match. Select the matches you want and confirm, and your sheet will update to show only the rows that fit. For more advanced needs, choose Filter by Condition. Here you can pick options like Top 10 to see the highest values in a numeric column, or Empty and Not Empty to isolate missing or filled entries. These conditions let you focus on outliers, gaps, or key segments without manually scanning down the column. You can repeat the process on additional columns to refine your results further. Filters stack together, so each added filter narrows your list to rows that meet all the selected criteria. To return to a broader view, reopen a columns filter and select All again. And if a columns filter hides too much, adjust or clear just that column's choices. That's it. Autofilter gives you a fast, flexible way to explore your data with confidence while keeping everything intact.